Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about adding links to your YouTube channel page. So if you want to have links to different websites you might own, or if you have a Patreon or other sources, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the customization tab in YouTube Studio. So go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, you can scroll down, and underneath links, you can go ahead and locate your links. I believe you're limited to 5 links per channel page. You can select the plus add link button to go ahead and add a new link. And then once you're done, you would select publish. And if you went over to your channel, you would see them up at the top. So you could see the top links. And if you select more links, you could see all of them in here. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.